Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. So apologies for the audio podcast. So there is some technical glitch. Coming back to the markets. So US markets ended mixed yesterday. Dow was higher, S&P 500 and Nasdaq was down. Overall, US markets are in consolidation mode for the last 4 months. So S&P 500 finding a stiff resistance around 7,000. However, Asian markets are higher. I think today Japanese market is closed. Other markets are trading in green. The GIFT Nifty is very interesting. It is indicating a gap up of about 70-80 points. In fact, at some point of time yesterday night, it was indicating more than 100-point gap up. Yesterday, I told you for a third day, Nifty moved higher, and for third day gap up, that gap up sustained, and also told you technically now Nifty is long. So yesterday Nifty closed above 25,905. So now market is technically long, and today it is a gap up. But however, a caution, as I always say, Nifty long means it doesn't mean that the Nifty has to go in a straight line on the higher side. It can be choppy. Even yesterday, after 2:30 also, you have seen a sudden sell-off of about 100 points. So anyway, so today, one good thing, yesterday technically it has shown long, and today there is a gap up. So that is one thing. Second thing, if Nifty opens as per GIFT Nifty indication, then Nifty is likely to open about 26,000. So in the first week of January, and the Nifty went up to 26,373. Then after that, it fell all the way to 24,600, 24,700. Now recovered a lot, and now again coming and taking out 26,000 on the higher side. But well, that is only opening. We need to wait for the closing. If the closing is about 26,000, then one can take a slightly more bullish view. 26,000 is a psychological level only, but the technical level it was only 25,905. So in all probability, as per our box theory, so Nifty might enter into a new box that will be 26,000 to 26,500. So this is time to be bullish. It is not time to be bearish. The Bank Nifty yesterday consolidated mainly because of underperformance by HDFC Bank. I think in US market, both Infosys and ICICI banks were higher ADRs. So in all probability, Nifty likely to close about 26,000 today. If that happens, so it's really a win for bulls. But however, there are some lot of skepticism in US India trade deal. So there are a lot of uncertainties, so you can never trust the Trump. So Trump can change the word anytime. So he has been very kind as of now to remove the 25% additional tariff without any explicit statement by India regarding Russian crude purchase. So that is one uncertainty. It is still there. So leaving that, there are no uncertainties. Corporate result season is coming to an end. And those in the last few weeks or last 1 or 2 weeks, the stocks that benefited from the Indo-US trade deal. So those stocks like shot up like anything, and also companies that came out with the good corporate results, like State Bank of India. So yesterday, PSU Bank Index also consolidated. HDFC Bank also fell. So because of that, uh, Bank Nifty was slightly negative. So now we need to see whether there is any recovery in FMCG stocks and uh, IT stocks. So mainly IT stocks have to recover. Otherwise, how long, only the banking stocks and auto stocks can take the market higher. So when FMCG, pharma, and there is IT. So all three sectors have to join, and then uh, Nifty has the potential to touch 27,000 by, if not by the end of February. Of course, by end of February is very difficult, but at least in March or April, Nifty can touch 27,000. So once again, I bought a lot of call options, after the budget. So again, once again, I bought a lot of call options. No, they are not naked buy, but they are hedged buy. Right? So I'm taking a bullish view for the next 6 to 8 weeks time. So I've done some strategies like call calendar, put calendar, ratio spreads, and that kind of strategies. So I'm not an option buyer, so I don't buy naked options, but I do buy options as a part of my strategy. So if Nifty takes out 26,000, then the support will be shifted from 25,500 to 25,700. So if Nifty closes above 26,000 for the next 5 trading sessions, we can assume 25,700 as the support and 26,500 as the resistance. So let us see what's going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio podcast.